Hi guys, I'm Prasham. Welcome back to Take Two. We are today back with our new series, video series, where we'll be discussing some of India's most uploaded web series, and we'll be discussing where are their next seasons. India has been waiting for them for too long now. Today I have with me Shweta, Swarali, and our new team member Yathar. And today's web series is going to be TVF's most arguably most iconic web series, the TVF Pictures. So let's start. First, let's brief our audience about what is TVF. So, Yathar.
Okay, so TVF is one of the best production houses content-wise. Actually, I feel it is like the Panch Tantra of the web series. It has to be like it has given us like many good series. Panchayat, Pictures से start किया था. Obviously, Pictures was I think the game changer, right? Game changer था वो. उसके बाद हाँ, they got like pretty famous. The Viral Fever Media Lab.
Yes. So that's about TVF. Now moving on to pictures and how pictures change TVF and what all do we like about pictures as a web series.
For pictures, I think the best part about it was how real the content was, and I think it was one of the first times that the content was so real and relatable. They really were able to convey the message that they came on screen to give.
I saw it back in 2016, and TVF always delivers some unique concepts. Apart from romance and everything, they chose to deliver a series, start a new company, so that's quite relatable even now.
So to me, it was actually all about the basic human values and like the conflict. जैसे conflict resolution was the best part about it. I think मतलब हरे like even if you don't have any ideas for a startup, you just want like there are many problems in our lives, daily lives. मतलब बॉस कुछ कर रहा है, बच्चों ने कुछ कर दिया, माँ बाप कुछ सुना रहे, तो everything has to be handled, right? So उसमें जिस तरह से उन्होंने conflict resolution दिखाया, so that was the best part for me actually.
According to me, I have seen it quite a few times now. और आज तक it never gets old. It never feels very boring. And the best part is that they have covered almost all genres. If you see, you have comedy in there, you have two relationships going on, so there is a kind of a romantic genre in there. There is Indian values in there when Jeetu obeys everything about his father. Everything if you look at it, it is like a complete package. There is inspiration, motivation. So overall, it is a very good series, and you can watch it anytime. And so, any comments on the storyline of the web series?
I think the storyline from start to the finish was gripping. They managed to show everything, including Jeetu's confusion whether he really wants to do it or not, whether he should take the leap of faith and go on with his friends, the confusion in deciding the path that they want to follow ahead. It handled everything pretty delicately, and even when they showed Yogendra's character be a little hostile towards everybody else, they made sure there were supporting characters. Like Jeetu was always in a role that would neutralize the situation, which is usually how groups are made and function.
Yeah, and the way it was shown from start to end, especially I liked the opening shots of every character. The way they introduced every character, that was also very unique, where Jeetu was sitting in his office, the Python code running. Then the way Arunabh Kumar's character Yogi was shown, how he enters the office, and funny at the same time, and it's a very good intro to every character was given.
Descriptive and perfect to me the story was. Matlab, the way they started, okay, so he actually does that. He gets drunk and he actually abuses his boss, and still the boss is like, नहीं हो जाती है गलती, हम सबने किया है ये. So that was the best part actually. मतलब जैसे start करते हैं उसके बाद you don't want to leave that series. That is actually the point where you want to watch the whole series.
For me, the characters, I like the characters more than not more than the story, but that is what gave me, like, they lived out the characters perfectly. Where I think the casting was done really good, and as Prasham pointed out, the introduction shot that gave us more about the characters, and I really like the cinematography. So that was really good on their end.
Even the dialogues, I was a fan of dialogues throughout the series. The reason I wanted to watch more is because I wanted more to beer hai. There was this dialogue when they finally come up with the startup, which was your favorite dialogue from the series.
Has to be.
I
It doesn't get any better than that. You get only one of those in the life.
True, throughout.
I had a bunch of favorite dialogues. Like every character had some or the other catchphrase that they used throughout. मतलब
Yeah.
कुछ तो था कि that dialogue particularly defined that character. Naveen's character was defined by the way he gave the speech in that event. Where Mandal's character was defined by the way he organized the PPT presentation and the way he presented the whole team.
Thank you, important है.
Yeah, Jeetu's character was defined by how he fought with his father, and Yogi's character was defined by how he lashed out at Naveen when he got to know about the jury room approach. वो जब भी गाड़ी में बैठे थे अंदर, ये क्या कैसे jury room कैसे करता है पता है क्या तुम लोग को? सिक्का उछाल के 4 लोग का
Oh,
मतलब
that was one of the best scenes. And
Yeah.
the way he portrays ना कि जब तुमने सिक्का उछाला और तुम्हें पता चला कि तुम्हें क्या करना था, in that moment you knew. That is the moment you know, and that is the decision you should
Yeah.
take. It is a theory. It is a valid theory. It is a very good reasoning thing that a lot of kids must have followed and written after watching pictures.
Yeah.
And they picked and chose and designed all the characters. Mandal saying कि अब मेरे को strategize करना पड़ता है ना क्या पहनूं. It was amazing that they could do that with just 5 people. They could portray every kind of character with 5 people.
Actually, every character had their strong points and every character had their shortcomings. But the best thing was like those shortcomings were filled in by another person's strong points. Like Mandal बहुत ज़्यादा doofus character था, लेकिन मतलब जैसे नवीन बहुत smart था. So he so
compensate
so that is another beautiful thing I like. वैसे तो जैसे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता था योगी हर एक चीज को लेके, बहुत ज्यादा इरिटेट
Jeetu
हो
was
जाता
there
वही. So he was there to like calm him
to
down.
calm him down. That is how the characters are balanced out, and then the 4 of them make a good team. That is what it will.
Even उस time की जो students की वो होगी like mentality was very well captured in the dialogue कि 9 to 5 job करने के बाद ना हर कोई 3 ही चीज करता है, MBA, IAS और startup. That was one of the selling lines for me. मतलब ultimate. क्योंकि वही सुना है, मैंने वही सुना.
बाहर जाके देखो 3 में से 2 क्यूबिकल में स्टार्टअप फाउंडर बैठे होंगे.
एक्चुअली ये तीनों कोर्सेज ही जो भी गलतियां करते हो आप जिंदगी भर एक चांस मिलता है आपको, तो उसमें या तो आप MBA कर सकते हो, IAS कर सकते हो. सो दैट वाज एक्चुअली ट्रू.
That is how relatable the whole series was.
So before we move on to discussing season 2 and why we want season 2, I wanted to point out one thing कि there were a lot of brand placements throughout the series and they were so smooth and so seamlessly done कि Kingfisher तो था ही throughout the series. Kingfisher was there. The other one was Pondsman. तो वो event का sponsor was Pondsman and अगर starting में देखा हो तो योगी का power bank के ऊपर Pondsman का sticker था. The one he throws and gives them 5 of these.
Yeah.
And get them energized.
Naveen's face wash was Pond's, if I'm not. Yeah.
They were pretty
So
smart
product
with their.
placements were really smart.
It was quite a good watch. मतलब I never मतलब there are certain films and TV shows जो देख के screen पे product आती तो मैं समझ आते थे oh ये placed है. But pictures were smooth. The best part about pictures was how smooth it was.
Exactly.
And I have seen that over the years, many of TVF series are constrained to 5 episodes ka series. Okay, like Hostel Days was a 5 episode series. I think Tripling season 2 was also 5 episode ka series. Kota Factory was 5 episodes ka series. But like a few of them are left open ended. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि abruptly काट दिया है. Pictures का it is like end हुआ तो पता चला कि हाँ this is where they could have ended the season and this is where they did. So it is a very well cut series as well.
It didn't stretch beyond its.
But actually we Indians also do have an act of like कोई भी अच्छी चीज आती है हमें और चाहिए होती है. But the pictures में the best thing was like कि उन्होंने कभी ये स्टार्ट कहाँ पे हो रहा है एंड कहाँ पे हो रहा है ना, इट वाज लाइक परफेक्ट कि ना तो स्टार्टअप, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट they getting their funding, right? उसके बाद तो जो होना होगा वो so actually अगर second season आ भी जाता है ना तो I don't think it would like do any better than season 1. मतलब वो best होगा क्योंकि it was all about कि उनको एक start चाहिए था, एक kick start चाहिए था, उनको उनका funding चाहिए था और उनको मिल गया. वहाँ तक ही उनका problem था. आगे जो भी आएगा वो managerial problems होने वाला है.
This is what I wanted to discuss next कि अगर सीजन 2 आता है तो व्हाट आर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि आगे किस और सीरीज जाना चाहिए? व्हाट आर योर ओपन एंड्स दैट यू हैव डिस्कवर्ड ऑलरेडी कि आगे अगर जाएगा तो ऐसे जाएगा स्टोरी? विल स्टार्ट विद श्वेता.
I think इसके आगे storyline will revolve around their startups and ups and downs of their startup. But what I feel is, I think they will show a little more personal relations between the 4 of them and how they overcome the challenges. मैं कोई भी एक personal comment नहीं लेना चाहती because there are so many angles जिसमें वो story जा सकती है. But what I would like to see is a more personal bond between the 4 of them.
I think the story would go obviously कि उनका startup कैसे बढ़ा फिर और क्या problems आए. But I would also like to see कि what happened to Naveen's personal life or Jeetu's personal life with the wife, or also more about Mandal's and Yogi's personal life.
Okay, so मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैनेजरियल प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर वो लोग फोकस करेंगे और मेरे को जो देखना है ना वो इट वुड बी लाइक दो स्मॉल थिंग्स जहाँ पे वो लोग चारों एक साथ मतलब कोई तो बड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम उन्होंने सॉल्व किया है, उन लोग बैठे हैं शराब पी रहे हैं. So these are the small things which I would like to personally see. उनका bond है कि how they got like वो कैसे इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन गए वैसे. These मतलब ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं.
Yeah, so according to me also it will be about how their startup is going forward or how they are either solving problems that are coming up or they have landed themselves into a very big problem which is either legal or something else. तो उसकी वजह से फिर वो बड़े प्रॉब्लम अक्रॉस द सीजन चालू रहेगा और वो बड़े प्रॉब्लम जो लोग बाहर कैसे निकलते. लाइक हियर द डिस्प्यूट वाज कि फंडिंग कैसे निकाले. पूरे सीजन में वो लोग इस पे ही फाइट कर रहे थे कि फंडिंग कैसे निकाले. तो वैसा कोई बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा जिस पे वो लोग फाइट कर रहे हैं और उसमें देयर पर्सनल लाइफ का नुआंसेस विल कम इन एंड ऑल दैट. Okay, so before we conclude today's podcast, there is one thing I would like to ask. Now we know the situation and why we know a part of the reason why TVF is not coming up with pictures too, and that is the absence of Arunabh Kumar in their team. Okay, so do you think that can there be a story without Arunabh Kumar in it?
I would personally not like to have a story without Arunabh Kumar in it because the point is I like pictures where it is today. I may not after they change his character or bring somebody else or make his character go missing. We've been waiting for pictures for like 5 years now. So
even I can't replace Yogi with someone else other than Arunabh Kumar. I cannot associate a type of character like Yogi with someone else, and if they do bring it, I don't know how much justice would be given to Yogi's character, and I don't know if I'll like it that much.
See, Arunabh Kumar was one of the main characters, right? So I think it would wear off without Arunabh Kumar. Arunabh Kumar चाहिए.
Yeah, especially after that scene where he broke off Jeetu's phone in anger. सबसे epic scene था वो.
Also, one of the funniest to beer के बाद another iconic and funny dialogues I found was by Yogi, where he says that I have 3 solid plans to get the funding or to get up on stage.
Yes.
And then Naveen says no violence, no kidnapping, and then he says I have only one solid plan to get us on the stage.
Yes.
Even the part where Yogi goes, remember guys, you should never quit.
Yeah,
But I quit.
I quit.
I quit.
Is there anything that you did not like about pictures before we conclude?
There was personally nothing that I did not like.
But I don't think so. There's something they need to improve.
Yeah, it was like nearly perfect.
So yeah, that's all we have got to discuss, I guess. Is there
But
anything
in the end of the day, we still have the main question with us. When is the next
season coming?
It's about time we all plan a picture season 2 in our head and just be satisfied with what we come up with.
That's what we can do.
End it here. I hope we discussed enough. If you have any suggestions for us as to what series we should be covering, leave them in the comments down below. That's all, I guess. We'll end it here. We'll end the podcast. Yes, Shweta.
Like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.
give them 5 of these
Yeah.
and get them energized.
Naveen's face wash.
आगे अगर जाएगा तो ऐसे ही जाएगा स्टोरी. We'll start with Shweta. Shweta. Hello.
I guess Shweta freeze हो गई है.
Shweta is please.
Okay, Swarali, you go first.
For me, I would like to see where exactly their startup went.